In this video, I'll show you how to install and use any custom character mod in GTA 5. Check my video description for this link. Choose the character you want to install. For this tutorial, I selected this Lara character. Once you download done, check my video description for other required mods. Right click on the ScriptHookV and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open bin. Select input8.dll and ScriptHookV inside of a game folder. Once done, go back and open ScriptHookVDotNet. Select ASI 2.dll and 3.dll inside of a game folder. And then go back, open LemonUI, open DN3. In the game folder, open scripts. If you doesn't have created scripts folder for GTA 5, then check my video description for this video link. Watch this video and create a scripts folder in GTA 5. Once you're done, open scripts, drag and drop all these files inside the scripts. And now you can open OpenIV. If you doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Select this ASI manager and make sure all three are installed, and then select edit mode and select yes option and go to mods, update x64 DLC packs, and then open this Ped Selector Mods, update x64 DLC pack, drag and drop this Ped Selector inside. Go back to GTA 5, open mods, update update.rpf, common data, and scroll down. Right click on the DLC list and select edit. Scroll down to the bottom, copy this last line, and next to item, press enter and paste the last line. Copy this Ped Selector name and paste it in here and select save option. Once you're done, go back to GTA 5 and open the scripts, open scripts, drag and drop these two files inside. Then go back, open GTA 5, drag and drop these files inside the GTA 5. Close up here, minimize this, open the GTA 5 folder, open mods, update x64. Right click on the auto compiler and select run as administrator and select yes option. Once this done, press any key to continue and then go back to mods and open the character mod we download and open the readme. You must follow this readme, guys, because not every character mod is same, so you must follow this install guide. As you can see, it says Lara folder and these files inside this peds.rpf. Follow the steps. To do this, open OpenIV, open mods, update x64 DLC pack, and find this Ped Selector DLC. Close, open Peds, select edit mode and select yes option. Open Lara, and these are the files it says to drop in here. Drop in here. Once you're done, close stuff here and go back to GTA 5. Right click on this AddonPeds and select run as administrator and select yes option. Here you can able to see already default things listed. Select pets and select delete option and select yes. Delete all the default pets added and select pets and select add new pet and go to the character mod and select open window. Right click on the character mod name, copy and then minimize this, paste it in model name, pet type female. Make sure you follow the readme. Name it as the pet name and name it as female, steamed to true. So not every character mod is same steps. So you must follow the readme only for this character mod and select the add ped. Once you're done, select the rebuild option. Rebuild completed. Click on OK, close stuff here and launch the game. So it says so create a favorites.ini. To make this, press Alt Tab and check my video description for this text. Copy this text. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open scripts folder, Ped Selector. Right click new and select text document. Paste the text we copied and press enter. Select yes. Close stuff here and now you can close the game and launch. Once you are in game, press L to open up this Ped Selector. Using down arrow and up arrow, you can choose option. Press enter to select option. Select ped, and as you can see, the Lara character is in here. Press enter to select the character. Press the backspace key to close this menu. And as you can see, the character loads perfectly fine. And now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.